This is the story of a king whose pride led him to a path of absolute destruction. Abraha, the ruler of Yemen, stood before his magnificent cathedral, consumed by arrogance and a dark ambition to challenge the house of God.
With a voice filled with rage, Abraha declared, "Enough! I shall tear down that Kaaba stone by stone. From this day forth the world shall bow only to my city and my cathedral."
And so the earth began to tremble. Thousands of armed soldiers and mountain-sized war elephants began their terrifying march toward Mecca. The desert dust rose like a storm as the shadow of Abraha's army stretched across the horizon.
But as they neared the sacred sanctuary, the sky suddenly turned dark. Thousands of small birds, the Ababeel, appeared from nowhere, each carrying small stones from the fires of hell in their talons.
A rain of stones descended upon the proud army. In an instant, the great war elephants collapsed, and Abraha's mighty legion was turned into nothing more than eaten straw. Once again, the house of Allah remained untouched.